I opened up a public IG account so my students could reach out to me and makakapagtanong sila and makakapag-update kami sa isa't isa sa mga journey namin. So some of them, grabe, and of course you will allow me, andito na tayo. So I just hope that this will inspire you. I will share to you some of them, okay? Update kita kapag natuloy yung interview sa Monday at kung ano po ang result. And then, in-update niya ako, sabi niya, thanks po sa prayer, mag-start na po ako ng work sa July 12, natanggap ako dun sa podcast production company. Miss Glaze, I finally landed a job as show notes writer. Thank you for your guidance po. So happy to find this niche on my VA career. Also, gusto ko na rin po magpasalamat dahil sa inyo po nagkaroon ako ng work after more than 1 year na pagiging bomb. Dahil sa course niyo po, I have a stable, good paying, and long-term job na. Thank you so much po. I'm just very grateful and actually overwhelmed with all these updates. Hindi to lahat, but at least ito yung some na screenshot ko, nakuha ko, nandito pa sa file ko. And I'm just so very thankful. I mean, it's a humbling experience.